mother.
Hi guys, meron naman tayong bagong na-discover yung bagong tinapay ng Korean. Tara! Nabili ko siya sa Asian, kakabukas ko lang pala guys. So, ito na nga. First try. Kaya, kasi nakita ko meron siyang ganyan, no? Parang nakakatakam. Meron siyang feeling. So, try natin.
Is Lady Jen's condition that bad?
Meron nga. Di gaano.
Why do you want to stay here? This place is more familiar. And I don't want to see anyone. Don't worry for me.
Custard? Okay lang. So, i-rate ko siya 8.
Umang na ka?
I heard that. You'll be heading north soon.
Yun nga. Okay lang yung last guys.
I've already discussed the matter with
No.
Ford Park as
So,
well.
yun lang.
So do not worry.
Bye-bye!